This is literally the 6th video I'm trying to record. I don't know what the frick is wrong with my GoPro, but that's the reason there's been no videos. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I had to take a break for a minute because it was bad for my mental health, bro. 5 videos, bro. Midway through the video, the audio would just stop recording. If it happens to this video, I give up. I give the frick up.
Clap if you can.
That's a cop. Woo. Oh, we got crisp air today. This thing feels like a flippin' monster.